for high speed, for anywhere, for road or for bush, anywhere. So far you dey drive at once, now your brake fail. Wetin you do within 5 seconds? Wetin you go do within 5 seconds? That na big question o. So many people don't know wetin dem go do. They dey confused. But make we enter street or go slow, go find out wetin people go talk about this question. Still on the street here, Wazobia TV. My name na MC Shaggy, not Toshabo. I dey come, make I enter street. As you dey drive now, you come feel brake, what you go do?
My favorite brake, yeah. I don't go match brake.
No go match brake.
We just dey balance until small till I slow down. I'll put them for neutral. They use hand brake.
You go do hand brake?
They do hand brake, they manipulate them, you know, yes. small like that.
Okay.
I go just sound for everybody when they know say they don't feel. I go climb Oliver to stop.
I don't get answer for that. You don't get answer? Alright. My guy, tell me what you go do.
I know they drive motor now. Why my brake go fail?
I will off the engine first.
You off the engine?
Yes, can't they put blood of Jesus?
Blood of Jesus.
Blood of Jesus. Help me. Blood of Jesus. Ọlọ́run ṣàánú mi o. Ṣàánú mi o. Ṣàánú mi o. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ Jésù yára mi padà. Ó yàrá you are too much. Yára mi padà. I will try to explain myself or you turn my motor leave the road so that you jam person.
This is a machine. There's nothing you can do than to slow it down. Try and see whether you can avoid hitting people and avoid hitting other cars. But man, there's nothing else you can do. Even in the rest of the world, there's nothing else you can do. But the best thing is to maintain your car, because before anything happens, it will be giving you warning time to time.
And then you will be slowing it down small by changing the gear.
I'll try to limit the speed.
I go draw my handbrake.
You go draw your handbrake?
Yes.
Then after that one, nothing else again?
Nothing else I go do. Now only way to stop me for that time be that now.
They don't talk up. To drive is easy. To drive is not easy. But to drive, some people talk and say, now wisdom, now sense. See, so many people talk and say, if you fail brake within 5 seconds, pull your handbrake, use your handbrake, they control the car. Some people say if you fail brake within 5 seconds, as you hold your handbrake, they change from the upper gear when you did, they go back to the lower gear. That's why some people say if you fail brake, you go carry the movement. The way the car they speed, they go. This is anti-climb pavement. Anyway, wash way, go take stop and so far, their life go they safe. This one on Wazobia TV. This one on Street Yan. Make you not touch the dial. My name is MC Shaggy.